How to change line spacing and paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word. Open your Microsoft Word document. Select the text for which you want to change the line spacing or paragraph spacing. Go to the Home tab. Next, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. A drop-down menu will appear with several preset line spacing options. Click on the option you want to apply. To adjust paragraph spacing or to set more precise line spacing, click on Line Spacing options at the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the Paragraph dialog box, under the Indents and Spacing tab, you can adjust the before and after spacing in the spacing section to control the paragraph spacing. In the Line Spacing drop-down, you can choose options like single, double, or multiple, among others. You can preview the changes in the Preview section at the bottom of the dialog box. Click OK to apply the changes. Adjusting line and paragraph spacing can improve the readability and visual appeal of your document. Done.